What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I still haven't got a haircut because I can't, but I did go quarantine beard trim. I don't think I'd look good with a one all over. Yeah guys, back down here at the garage. I'm going to actually start working on the Metro 4 pots today. I'm going to clean them down, brake parts, clean them, get everything cleaned up, degrease them and paint them today. I'm going to do them wrinkled red. DHL said that all the seals and everything else is going to be here for the brakes later on today. So I'm down here early today, very early, and I'm going to get the calipers painted, and then later on tonight I'm going to come down and rebuild them with all the seals and all the new little screw-in parts for bleeding the brakes, the little brake nipples. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with doing these brakes, so enjoy. Now guys, that's the pistons all cleaned up and the calipers all cleaned up. I ordered all new bleed nipples, all new seals. I didn't get new pistons because these things are immaculate. There's no damage on them, so they'll do the job. I just used our brake cleaner and a scrubby, as you can see, and just get them a good scrub. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all the bolts in and mask up anything that I don't want paint on, and give them a blast, do a few coats, and then head off for a while and let them dry. Now that's the calipers all cleaned up and one coat of the VHT red. Got a phone call there, my DHL delivery has arrived, so looks like I will be rebuilding the calipers fully today. I'm going to do the 3 coats that it recommends for the VHT, and it takes about 5-10 minutes in between coats. So that's the first coat done. It's outside in the sun, it's hot, like, so it's good temperature for painting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna do a few more coats and tidy up a bit. I did get a bit excited yesterday. My mate rang me and goes, "Oh, I have a turbo manifold there for you for a B16. Thanks, Will, but it doesn't fit, dude. It actually doesn't fit." I have it here. It's pretty and shiny, but it's a top mount turbo manifold, as you can see, but it doesn't fit, unfortunately. No way near it, so I'll have to look into getting a different manifold. I think this is a D series turbo manifold maybe. So yeah, I wanted to bring that down and bolt it up and see what it looked like on the engine, but unfortunately it doesn't fit. So yeah, I am in the market for a turbo kit if any of you do have one, B series. I'm looking to buy maybe a full kit or bits and pieces even. I don't mind building my own kit. I have a welder there so I can do my own downpipe and stuff. I just need a manifold that fits properly, that does actually fit the car. So yeah, that's it for updates for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack on, do another coat on them calipers in a few minutes, and then bring them in and let them dry for a while, and when I come back down tonight, hopefully they're dry enough to rebuild, hopefully. So yeah guys, enjoy. Right guys, final coat on them. Yeah, they look decent. I do like them red. But problem, I don't think they're going to be dry by the time I get down here tonight, so maybe I'll just come down and do body work and do these on the weekend, because unfortunately I am in work Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So everything is there anyway, so I'm going to get these inside and let them dry. Now, in out of the sun, you can see how red they are. They're actually really good. I'm really liking them. Yep, they look good. See how this one looks? Yeah, you can see them now. Yeah, they look so much better, so much cleaner. I'm hoping the wrinkle does come up in them. I'm not sure it will, but because I've done the coats fast and I've done them heavy. I'm supposed to do one light coat and then 2 heavy coats, but yeah, the first coat was a bit light, but then I really done 2 heavy coats. So I'm just going to leave them overnight and see how they turn out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock up here now. I'll come down tonight and work on the Mini, maybe get a bit done on the Mini for the next video. So yeah, this will be a short video, not a very short video, but I got a bit done. I do like coming down a few hours during the day, bit of spare time. But I will be down tonight. I'll have all my seals with me. My brother will probably be down here working on the EG6, which looks amazing. It's such a different car than when he got it. He's done awesome work on it, and mine also. I can't wait to get the car fully ready for paint. It's taken a while. It does take a while. Like my brother's working on his, I'm working on this. So I'm doing the arches, sorting out the body work, doing the brakes, upgrades in the engine bay. There's a lot to do, and I'm doing a lot of bits and pieces, so I don't have to do it after the car is painted, because doing brakes after a car is painted and taking something out and dripping brake fluid on it, sure, the paint work is ruined then. So yeah guys, I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget, I do have new stickers there. Give them a look right there. I have t-shirts if you'd like to purchase one. Cheap enough, keep the videos going, keep me going. And yeah guys, please subscribe, share with your friends. I do appreciate it, all the help, all the subscribers. Thanks everyone for subscribing. Share with your friends. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and hit me up, message me, whatever you want to do. I'll have a chit chat. I will have a few bits for sale off the Mini if anyone is looking for bits. I have the old arches off of which they're immaculate. A few interior pieces I do have that I will be getting rid of. Original Clubman door cards, brown leather. Not much damage, no damage at all to them, they're really clean. I might be selling my dash, the walnut dash, as I might be getting a new one. I might try and get a carbon one, I'm not sure, because I have picked a colour. It was between 2 colours that I put up on Facebook on my story, and you guessed the first one right, but I actually picked a different colour. It's Dustin Williams' fault. I blame him with his GTR. It's a perfect colour, and it'll be a nice colour for a small car like this with gunmetal accents on the car. So yeah, it'll be pretty sweet guys. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.